Welcome to Beautiful Home Design Ideas. Imagine stepping outside into your backyard and being instantly transported to a space that feels like a luxurious retreat, a cozy escape, or even a dreamy, magical garden. Whether you have a spacious patio or a small corner of outdoor bliss, decorating it the right way can transform it into a place where you love to unwind, entertain, and soak in the beauty of nature. In today's video, we're diving into how to decorate your backyard patio to make it dreamy, stylish, and oh so inviting. From cozy seating to ambient lighting, lush greenery, and those personal touches that make all the difference, we're covering it all. So, if you're ready to turn your outdoor space into a backyard paradise, keep watching. The heart of any dreamy backyard patio is the seating. You want a space that's not only visually appealing but also comfortable enough for hours of relaxation. Consider investing in weather-resistant furniture with plush cushions, deep seats, and soft throws for an inviting touch. Sectional sofas, rattan loungers, or even a charming outdoor daybed can instantly elevate your space. To make it feel even more welcoming, layer in outdoor rugs that define the area, along with throw pillows in soft, earthy tones or vibrant pops of color that reflect your style. If you have a smaller patio, opt for a bistro set or hanging egg chairs for a whimsical touch. Want to take coziness up a notch? A hanging hammock or a porch swing can add a dreamy, relaxing vibe that makes your patio the ultimate retreat. Lighting is one of the most impactful ways to set the mood in your backyard. The right lighting creates a warm, inviting, and dreamy atmosphere, perfect for late-night chats or quiet moments of solitude. String lights draped across your pergola, wrapped around trees, or hung above your seating area instantly bring that magical glow. Lanterns with flickering LED candles add a rustic and elegant touch, while solar-powered pathway lights guide the way beautifully. For an ultra-cozy feel, incorporate a fire pit or outdoor fireplace. Not only does it provide warmth on cooler nights, but it also becomes a natural gathering spot for friends and family. A dreamy backyard isn't complete without the beauty of nature woven throughout the design. Lush greenery instantly enhances your space, making it feel more alive, fresh, and serene. Consider adding potted plants, vertical gardens, or hanging planters with cascading ivy or colorful blooms. If you love a Mediterranean feel, go for olive trees, lavender, and rosemary in large rustic pots. If you prefer a tropical vibe, palms, ferns, and monstera plants will create an exotic paradise. Don't forget natural textures. Wooden planters, stone pathways, and woven baskets bring organic beauty and warmth to your backyard. Even a simple water feature like a small fountain can add a calming, spa-like feel. Before we move on to our final tip, If you're enjoying these ideas so far, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest home and decor inspiration. Also, let me know in the comments, what's your dream backyard patio look like? I'd love to hear your ideas. Your patio should be an extension of your home, and that includes a beautiful spot for dining and entertaining. Whether you love hosting dinner parties or just enjoying your morning coffee outdoors, having a dedicated space makes all the difference. Start with a chic dining table, wooden, metal, or glass, depending on your style, and pair it with comfortable seating like cushioned chairs or a cozy outdoor bench. To create a stunning tablescape, layer in woven placemats, stylish dinnerware, and fresh floral centerpieces. Adding a bar cart or an outdoor kitchen setup with a small grill or pizza oven makes entertaining even more effortless. Now that you've set up the foundation, it's time for those special finishing touches that make your patio feel uniquely yours. This is where you can truly get creative and express your style. Add in outdoor art, decorative lanterns, and cozy throws for layers of texture and charm. Incorporate boho-style macrame hangings, Moroccan-inspired poofs, or vintage finds that reflect your personality. A soft outdoor curtain or shade sail can provide extra privacy while adding an elegant, breezy touch. And let's not forget about music. A small outdoor speaker playing soft jazz, acoustic tunes, or tropical beats can completely elevate the ambience. And there you have it, 5 dreamy ways to transform your backyard patio into an inviting, stylish retreat. With the right seating, ambient lighting, lush greenery, an entertaining space, and those all-important personal touches, your patio will become your new favorite spot to relax and gather with loved ones. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home decor inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy decorating!